What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here's another episode of Tipsy Tips. And on this episode, it's summertime, folks. It's time. It's that time. It's summertime. Time to make that nice, refreshing, delicious margarita. But first, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. I got more tips coming. Want you to hear them and see them. So guys, here we go. What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, it's summertime. Which means a few things. 1, it's hot as hell outside. 2, people are dressing less. And 3, it's margarita season. And that's what we're going to make today, a margarita. But first, a quick history lesson about the margarita. So the margarita was created sometime in a time frame of the late 30s to early 40s. We're not quite 100% sure about that. We also aren't sure who actually really created the drink. Best speculations that it came from the United States. I said daisy flower because there was a drink in the United States that was very popular in that time called the Daisy. The Daisy was a whiskey-based drink with carousel and also a citrus blend. And when people would go down to Mexico or the Baja, they would want this drink. Well, Mexico is not well known for their whiskey. However, they are well known for their tequila. And that, we think, is where the margarita was born, with tequila. Enough with the history. Let's get to the good stuff. Let's make the drink. So, before we even start building the drink, you're going to want to rim your glass. Now, a lot of people will put lime juice around it and just dump it right into the sugar or the salt. Nobody wants to drink salt. Just give you a heads up right now. However, what you will want to do is to take and coat the outside of your glass, like so. So it's got a nice ring around it. Take your salt and you just want to roll it so you get a nice salted rim. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and ice that puppy up. Let's get that nice and chilled. Let's actually bring the glass to the ice. Now, I like to take my glass and fill it completely. You want to pack it with ice. I like to use ice that is slightly broken up. It's not like the big cubes. If I had a big cube, I would use that. However, I don't, so I like to break it up and put it inside here like that. That is your chilled, ready to be chilled glass. So now on to the ingredients. Now there's only a few ingredients in an actual margarita, starting with your tequila. Now I like to use a Blanco or a silver blue agave, 100% blue agave tequila. There's a couple types of tequila that you can get. There's the silver Blanco like I have. There's also the Reposado. Now Reposado is aged quite a bit longer than the silver, and it's also aged in an oak barrel, giving it that smoky taste. But we're going to use the silver right here. I like to use Jose Cuervo. I think it's fantastic. It's not going to break your bank, and it's comparable to all the other tequilas, in my opinion. So, to build the drink, I want the tequila to be nice and prevalent in this drink. So we're going to put, we'll put 2 ounces of tequila. You know what? Hell with it. Let's do 2.5 ounces. What do you say? We'll do 2.5 ounces of your tequila. Now, when you have a good tequila, you want to use a good orange liqueur. Now, my preference is the Cointreau. It's delicious. You want something that's going to complement your tequila, and this does it quite nicely. It's also a little bit more expensive than the other stuff, but it's not syrupy, and it's fantastic. So we're going to put, let's do 3/4 ounce of your Cointreau. Now, just to let you guys know, my jigger has, this is a 1.5 ounce and this is a ½ ounce. So that's why you're seeing double. Some jiggers you can get different sizes, but this is the size that I'm using right now. Also, lime juice. Now, don't buy that store-bought shit. Nobody wants that out of a bottle. If you're gonna get lime juice, take the time and squeeze it. Bartenders, you'll be fine. It doesn't take that long to squeeze it. But you are gonna wanna use about an ounce of your lime juice. Also, people like to use simple syrup. I don't particularly like simple syrup. It's too sweet for me, and it kind of takes away from, it diminishes all the other, the tequila and the orange liqueur. However, I do like the blue agave nectar. It's a natural sweetener. It's blue agave, just like your tequila, and it complements it extremely well. So you don't need a lot. We're going to do about ½ ounce to sweeten it up just a bit and to take the harshness from the sour of the lime. You're also going to want to take your shaker, put your ice in, pour all your delicious ingredients in, lock it in, and shake that puppy up. Shake it up nice, make it chilled, nice and cold. You want to do it about anywhere from 20 to 30 seconds. Really break up that agave and get the nectar just flowing in the drink. Pop the side, take your strainer, lock it in, and pour that beautiful margarita into that glass. Now, some people will use a lime wedge. I personally like to use a lime wheel. You just cut, put the lime on the side, and there you have it. Your delicious, oh so refreshing margarita. Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. If you don't, still give it a big thumbs up. Who cares? It's not gonna hurt you to push the button. It's only gonna help me. I wanna grow this channel. I wanna make it bigger and better, and I need your help. Do all the fun stuff. Leave a comment, hit the notification bell, hit that subscribe button. I got more videos. I want you to see them. Guys, I love a good margarita, and I love you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next episode. Next episode. Not episode. Next episode.